If you have decided to delete your Square account permanently, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Square website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you are accessing the correct account that you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can typically be found in a menu, often under your profile or account name. Step 3. Locate the account deletion option. In the account settings, look for an option related to account management or security. Here, you should find the option to delete or close your account. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Click on the account deletion option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be required to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the necessary steps, you will receive a confirmation message regarding the deletion of your account. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmation from Square. Once you have completed these steps, your Square account will be permanently deleted. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Square's customer support.